In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in WordPress. If you want to organize information clearly on your website, tables can be really useful. They're great for things like pricing, schedules, feature comparisons, or any content that needs to be displayed in rows and columns. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple built-in way to add a table using the WordPress editor. To get started, go to your site editor. This is where you can make layout and content changes directly inside WordPress. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the page or template area where you want the table to appear. Taking a second to confirm the location now can save you from adding the table in the wrong section. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon. This is the block inserter, and it's where you can add new content elements to your page. In WordPress, tables are added as blocks, so this is the tool you'll use to insert one. After opening the block inserter, type table into the search bar. Searching is often the fastest way to find the exact block you need, especially if there are a lot of options visible in the panel. As you type, WordPress will filter the results and show the table block. Once you see it, click on Table. This will insert the table setup tool into your page so you can define the basic structure before the table is created. At this stage, WordPress lets you choose how many columns and rows you want your table to have. Adjust the column and row count if you want. Think about the kind of information you're planning to display. Columns usually represent categories, while rows hold the individual entries under those categories. If you're not completely sure, don't worry too much. You can start with a simple structure that fits your content and build from there. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Table. WordPress will then place the table directly into the editor, ready for you to fill in with your content. From there, you can begin typing into each cell and formatting the information so it's easy for visitors to read. And that's it. That's how to make a table in WordPress using the built-in editor tools. It's quick, straightforward, and a great way to present structured information in a clean and professional format.